Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I got friend mail from Stuffy G. So excited. She has me so pumped up about this. Let's see. I just cut it open. I haven't been in this package. I just kind of cut it. I have 2 of these that she sent me, guys. Quartz. There's so much you guys can craft-wise with quartz. I made stuff at Christmas. I've made tassels with these. They work awesome. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, we have a wooden stamp that says, "You're invited. What, when, where, and time." And I have done homemade invitations. All right, we're just going to pull. First thing I pulled out was this one. It's another stamp. She said there's stamps in here, so I know that much. Hello, memo, smile, sunshine, live, laugh, love, dream big, be true, XO, here and now, today, moments to remember, happy memories, ideas, the at symbol, all the little symbols, and I think that says yes. I like this right here. I like them all, but look at that. That's like the top of the file. That's so cool. A circle, little flags, things they call them, arrows, the teardrop. So even that. That's cool. Oh, look at this. Bow Bunny. I hope that wasn't a broken piece. If it is, I'll fix it. Oh, it might be from over here. Okay. We have like those teardrops. I got a star, a heart, a circle, a heart, and then like arrows. That's life. This is every day in the film strip. And like the frame says hello. Like, ooh, oh, look at this Bow Bunny stamp. It's like, oh, I gotta open this one. Let's see, guys, this is so cool. Check this stamp out. Let me get a piece of paper. Let me get a piece of paper. You guys see this? It's like a postage stamp. Oh, let's go like that. Look at it. It looks like that. It's got writing. Look at it. It looks like typewriter keys and more writing. That's a cool stamp. Ooh, I'm going to have so much fun. You can see it already. And I ain't even through the whole bag yet. She has blessed me big time. Ooh, look at this one. This one says, "You're invited. Thanks. Place, time, date, in different fonts. Thank you. You're invited. Date." Also had these little lines to make the invitation. Cool. Oh, that must have came out of that. Okay. What the heck? Oh, Smash book. Yes. Smash stuff. Oh, this is cool. These are like calendars. It's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Month up here, notes down here. Oh, look at it. You can glue it to your book. This year I didn't buy a Smash book because I couldn't find one that I believed was worth the money and reasonable price. So I didn't buy a Smash book. I was like, I wish I'd have picked more up when they had a Tuesday morning in my area. Because I like doing a Smash book for the year thing I do. But I'm making my own kind of Smash book. It's over there. Time is going to help me finish it the next time she comes in. But we have a big snowstorm coming in. It's going to hit us, I guess, late tonight and then tomorrow. So me and Don were supposed to go grocery shopping tomorrow. We went today instead. And she had to get home by the time we were done. And I had a doctor's appointment. Ooh, gears. Get that. See, I think these are from Tuesday morning. And my Tuesday morning, it was a hit or miss. Them are gears. Look at them. That is so cool. Look at that. I can't wait to use these. I keep feeling more stamps when I go in. Oh, emojis! Oh, soccer ball. Coda bear. I can do that in my planner. Put a soccer ball there and know it's Coda Palet plays soccer. Got the dollar sign. Cool. Music. Basketball. Baseball, basketball, football, soccer, clouds, and gear. Yeah, cool. A little flower. I could put a snowflake every day. It snowed. The little hands. Peace symbol. Okay symbol. Oh, stop. Happy. Lips. Little feet. Oh, look at this one. It says love this every day. Hello. And then the little stripes and triangles, arrows, little dots. Jesus, I took my pill. This thing won't stop today. I'll have to go in and stop that. Oh my God, look at the butterflies. I like butterflies and dragonflies and hummingbirds. That's so pretty. They're so pretty. I like color in butterflies. Oh, look at the crowns. These are cool. I have crown stickers, but I don't think I have a crown stamp. But now I do, thanks to Stephanie. Oh, look at this mixed media one. Oh, I love this stamp right there. That's a cool stamp. And that, they're all cool, but man, that I like the looks of that one. The little, looks like a beehive. We have a travel summer one, palm trees. I may have this one, Steph. If I do, I will put that in my pile that I got started for a giveaway. And I'll make sure I put a note. Steffi G, contribute or something on that lines. I'll set that right there so I know. Oh, we have tags. It's like Christmas in December. These are cute. Little flower tags and foliage. Look at that pretty flower. That's pretty. Cute. I like doing tags, but sometimes you get a tag. It's so pretty by itself. Whether you want to, it's hard to add to it because of the background paper. I even do that with my own mixed media. I have trouble covering my own. These are cool shape. It's a cool shape for that tag. It's a cool shape. We'll put that right there. I'll put it back in there later. Ooh, we got more tags. She said she was going through her craft room. And she said she thought of me. Ooh, look at those tiger stripes. I think that's giraffes, but I'm not sure. Oh, that's giraffe. Leopard prints, I believe. Zebra prints. These are cool. Oh, I just noticed the shape on the bottom. This is a cool die. Or there's sometimes you get tags and it's hard to tell if it's a die or if they use like a Cricut. Or they hand did them. I've had hand tags where somebody's cut them out, and you wouldn't even know the difference. These are cool shaped. I like them. Thank you. Oh, holy moly! Look at these ones, girl. Oh, look at that sparkle. Look at that print on that tag. Ooh, yeah. These are cool. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Ready? That is too cool. That makes me want to... Okay, ready? Can you see that? It's trippy, man. It's trippy. That's so cool. I'm putting the bags on the side so I can put them back in and save some time. And there's 2 more in here. Look at this. OMG. Oh, that's a cool background stamp. I love the design of that. Oh, look at this one. I love that design too. Too cool. Thank you so much, Steph. And there's one more bag. And this one's heavy too. I was like, wow, what has she got going on here? So we're going to open it. I didn't open this one. I had that one open. This third. Oh my Lord, lady. What you got in here? What you got in here? She sent me a punch. Oh my God. It is a punch. Oh, it's a spider web. Oh my god, we gotta punch that out. We gotta punch that out. Look out for tablet paper always around here. I believe it's that one that you have to kind of do on. Okay, I'm just going to do one spot, but I guarantee if you angle it, you can do the border. See, I screwed up. If you angle it right, you can do a whole border of that, like that. Spider web. I screwed it up. But that's cool. Thank you. What did I do with the box? Oh, the box right there. I probably won't put it back in the box because I'll put it in with my punches. Oh boy. There is a bag in here. No wonder that bag was heavy. Okay. We have Wild something. Wild and firm? Wild and fun? Let me get that, sir. Oh, wild and free. Okay. Free. It looked weird. I couldn't figure out. That's a cool stamp. What I'm saying. Wild and free. You're invited. No peeking. I should have had that at Christmas. Got little paw prints. Little owl. Little smiley face. I love you mug. That's cute. A turtle. My grandkids are the turtle clan. A frog. A snail. These are cute. Oh. A birthday candle. A balloon. A strawberry. A bumblebee. Oh, a puppy dog. I was like, what is that? A puppy dog? Oh, a little chickadee. A little butterfly. A kitty cat. A elephant. And a cupcake. Them are cute. Oh boy, there's another bag. Oh, it's Santa. Can you guys see that? This is Santa. He's my favorite man besides my son, my grandson, and my son. And I got a Merry Christmas banner. These are cute. Are they stuck on there? Or did you, oh, they are made like that. Oh, look at cool to and from tag. That's neat. I make my own Christmas tags. That's a cool one. I thought about, oh, I missed one. It is a gingerbread. I thought about buying a new one of them because Donnie made a comment saying tags again this your mom. A stocking, poinsettia, and a snowman. Oh, them are so cute. These are neat. I have to put them with my Christmas. Oh, another punch. I see another punch. I wonder this bag was heavy. Oh yeah, she sent me some of these little composition notebooks that everybody was using. I was going to buy some and she told me not to. Because I was saying that I see them use them for like a little glue book. I'm like, I need to pick some of them up. She goes, don't, I'll send you some. Oh, double-sided tape. This is a fun pack of stuff. Okay, punch. It is, ooh, look at this one. Okay, what did I do with my paper? I was punching. What did I do with it? I don't know, I'll just do another one. Oh, it's right there, I found it. Oh. Every time I bend, I hurt. There's a corner punch. Ready? Look at that. That's pretty. I look pretty on a corner. On a card. Okay. We have, oh, look at that. Dollar Tree stickers. They were like bejeweled. I never seen them ones. Holy moly, Stephanie. Look at, she gave me stamp pens, or stamp box set. I love the big ones, because I only have one big one that I have when because I am my delusions. Thank God I have her ruler thing, or I wouldn't be able to stamp hers. This is a cool size too. And it ain't empty yet. Okay. I know she sent me fib art because I needed something for my scavenger. She sent me some paper. Different color. What's the paper? Cool. And some more paper. Some more paper. More paper. And I believe this, yep, use gesso for texture. Added sprays. Fib art. This is her fib art. Love it. She told me what she put on the back and used. That's cool how she did that. It's a book page. She did a book page, used gesso for texture, then added sprays. Stephanie G's fib art. That's pretty. Did a good job on that, Steph. I like how you did that. So gesso for texture. You just put gesso down. You didn't go through it. You didn't go through a stencil. It looks like she just kind of put the gesso down by herself and didn't go through a stencil. And then she just then added sprays on top of that. That's neat. I might have to try that. I probably done it, but didn't realize it. Ooh, look at this pretty paper. I like this paper. Look at that paper. It feels leathery. I don't know where she got this paper, but it's got this weird, different texture. It's not like everyday, like, cardstock paper. It's got this, like, leather. It feels different. It just has a different texture. I don't know. It's more like kind of like more better paper made. You know, it's like it's paper, but it seems like a better quality. I don't know what it just seems different. It's got this different feel to it. It seems like they impressed it differently or something, or really high quality. So cool. Thank you so much, Steph. Thank you. You did not have to do this. I will enjoy each and every one. I love the fib art. I'm going to make sure I put that in my art journal so I don't lose it on my table. I think I'll do it in my art journal. My scavenger book. Right here. I'm going to put it in the back here for now until I can put it in the scavenger hunt book so I don't lose it on my desk. I have a tendency to lose things on this, and it's like, where to go? But I want to play with this one right away, and maybe that one, and that one, and this one. This is four I want to check out right away. I'm just breathless. Thank you so much. You have made my day. I came back from my doctor's appointment and there the packages were on my porch. So that was a cool welcome home, kind of feel. So as always, guys, I will have Stephanie's channel linked in the description box below. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And once again, Steph, thank you so much. You're an awesome friend. I hope you liked what I sent you your way. If she does a video, you guys are going to laugh. 'Cause I loaded her up with die cuts and stuff. So, alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Bye.